Welcome everybody, let's build a scale today. For this video we're gonna build the A natural minor scale, or also called Aeolian mode. As with every mode, as you can check out in the other and upcoming videos, every mode has its own formula. The formula for the Aeolian mode is as follows. From the first to the second scale degree, here A to B, take a whole step. From the second to the third, take a half step. From the third to the fourth, take a whole step. From the fourth to the fifth, take a whole step. From the fifth to the sixth, take a half step. From the sixth to the seventh, take a whole step. And from the seventh to the eighth, take another whole step. So the Aeolian formula is take whole steps, but from the second to the third and from the fifth to the sixth, take half steps. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, practice your Aeolian scale all over your instrument. Try to build your Aeolian scales on other root notes, and I hope to see you for another video.